Hello, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. We are live. Let me check here sa Facebook if naka-live na po ba tayo. Okay po ba yung audio natin? So, marami pong natakot kanina kasi bigla pong nawala si Facebook. Buti na lang at di ako nakapag-focus. So, hindi ko napansin na wala pala ang Messenger. Ayan. Minsan kinakabahan po tayo, no? Pag ganun ang nangyayari, akala natin na-hack na po tayo, no? So that's why it's also good, no, for those for our viewers. It's also good to have another platform where you can contact your family and friends. No, so advice lang, mag-set up na po tayo sa Telegram, sa WhatsApp, Viber, no. We should have other accounts in Telegram, Viber, and WhatsApp, no, and other social media platform in case we can't reach our friends here in Facebook. Like kanina, parang naratol lahat ng mga tao, 'no? Ako din 'pag gano'n na nangyari nararatol din ako kasi nga baka na-hack na, 'di ba, yung account mo. So, nakakatakot po. Anyway, so, magandang hapon po dito sa USA and magandang morning po sa Pilipinas. So, updates muna tayo guys, 'no? Last week po, 'no, top 10 countries. Nag-top 1 po ang USA dito po sa Live Good. At then, second po, bumalik po tayo, no, mga Filipinos, no? Number 2 po tayo last week. And then next is Korea, and then next Indonesia, China, Vietnam, India, Kazakhstan, and Taiwan. Ayan, yan po yung mga countries na umahataw ngayon po dito po sa Live Good. And top 10 bestseller products. Naku po, ang ganda nito. Number 1, multivitamin. Napakamura po ng aming multivitamin. Second po yung magnesium. Favorite ko po din yung magnesium. And then yung factor 4, maganda po yun sa mga um, for inflammation management, no? And then super reds, yan, favorite ko yan for um, uh, circulation, no? Para maganda po yung circulation ng katawan natin. And then D3K2, super greens, yan, favorite ko din. And then coffee, number 8, yung collagen. Yan, maganda din po yung collagen. And then plant-based protein and methylene blue. Okay. So ito, pinaka-exciting guys, no? Here in Live Good. Okay, products coming soon. Okay? First, this is really good for mommies, organic children's vitamins. So napaka exciting po guys. Coming soon ang ating organic vitamins. And then we have chocolate whey protein sa mga naghahanap po ng protein. And then we have detox products, sleep product, weight loss products. Okay? And then hormonal product for women. Ayan, maraming naghahanap po dito. Okay? And then household products, okay. Kaya guys, maganda po kasi nandito na po tayo. So we are in the second wave of Live Good. No, we are in the second year. So um sa 2 million to 3 million members, no? That's the goal of our company this year. Okay? So be part of the second wave na po dito po sa Live Good. Okay, so ito po guys, paalala lang, no, sa ating mga ka-Live Good kasi marami pong kumakalap na scam, okay? Sometimes a lot of uh, scammers are just using Live Good, no, uh, to get people, no, ang ginagawa po nila, shine-share yung profile ninyo and then they will put a link doon sa page nila or sa Facebook nila and then nilalagay po nila get your reward into crypto. So if you see something na ganun po yung post, never 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 click that link because it might hack your Facebook or it will hack your Live Good account. So ingat-ingat po tayo. So the main website po for Live Good is just livegood.com. That's the main website. And then for the affiliates, it will have a slash our username. So for me, it's livegood.com slash good health for you. So yan po ang aking link. Okay? I will show you. Ayan. Ayan po. Legit na link po yan. No? And also, ito po yung isang link ko, although it's hindi po siya nakalagay na Live Good, pero once you click this, it will redirect you to the Live Good site. So, same pa rin, livegood.com pero meron lang itong tour 'no, livegoodtour.com/good health for you. So, 'yan ang dami-dami po kasing mga scammers naglabasan ngayon. Ang ginagawa po kinokopya yung mga, members po natin dito sa Livegood, nagke-create po sila ng kanilang mga Facebook at sinasabayan po nila ang growth ni Livegood kasi nga po, dumarami po yung members here in Livegood. Imagine po we have 1,100,000 members here in Livegood already globally. So in the Philippines, we have 250,000 plus members. So napakaganda pa po yung opportunity to become a member and affiliate here in Livegood. So what is Livegood po? It is a subscription-based company, no? Uh, we get discounts on products, great products here in Live Good. No, we started from health and wellness products. But then later on, magdaragdag po ang ating company ng other products kasi sabi po ni CEO, 200 to 300 products ang iano nila, i-achieve nila in 2 to 3 years. So that's their goal. So this April 19 to 21, there will be an event in Las Vegas. Okay, so there are lots of good news, no, dito po sa Live Good. So abangan po natin kasi may pasabog na ibibigay po si um, CEO Ben Glinsky. So abangan po natin. And then while naghintay po tayo, no, sa mga updates, hataw po tayo for um, getting affiliates and members here in Live Good. All right. So bakit po it's the right timing now, no, to share this opportunity? First is that kokonti pa po talaga yung mga taong nag-join dito, no? Like here in the USA, we have 4 million Filipinos. So, target the Filipinos. So that's a big market. Okay, if you're a Filipino, you can target the Filipino market. And then outside the Philippines, there's a lot of OFW po na naghahanap po ng ganitong opportunity. Okay, and to start Live Good, it's not expensive to start, your business. Okay, you just need a one-time affiliate fee of $40 and a $10 monthly subscription. Yan. Sa aming mga Zooms po, i-explain po namin yan bakit kailangan may $10 subscription. Kasi yan po ang pinaka-business po ni LiveGood. Kasi wala na po tayong requirement na papabili tayo ni LiveGood ng monthly orders ng product. Wala na po yun. You buy anytime in your back office. Meron po doon yung shop site ninyo. You can buy there. And then, wala na po tayong mga quota, no? Quota, wala na pong balancing ng points. Hindi po tayo binary. Hindi po binary si LiveGood. And then, actually, if you don't like to sell, it's not required to sell. I did not sell also, no, here in Live Good. Ang nag-focus po ako doon sa mga mommies na naghahanap po ng mga extra income, no? Especially pag mommies, kasi nasa bahay lang, minsan gusto nilang magtrabaho pero wala talaga silang time kasi nga magbabantay ng mga bata, no? At saka sa bahay din maraming ano gagawin. So, yan, this is a swak opportunity for everyone. And even kahit may trabaho po kayo, this is a good side hustle kasi nga po, it won't take much of your time kasi we have already sites, a link that you can share this to your friends and family. And we have also weekly updates from our company. So kung nakaabang po kayo dyan lagi, minsan nagla-live po ako, at makikita niyo po doon nila-live po si CEO and yung mga updates po dito po sa Live Good para hindi po tayo maiwanan ano po yung mga updates. Kaya ako po akong nakaabang every week, no, para alam po natin anong mga good news na ihahatid ni Live Good. Alright, so far yun lang naman guys, and ingat-ingat po, no, sa ating mga ka-Live Good, especially po sa pag-share ng mga yung minsan kasi 'di ba, 'pag hindi techie, shine-share niyo po yung mga password ninyo at username. So as much as possible po iwasan po ninyo 'yun or change your password kaagad kung meron pong nagbukas ng LiveGood account ninyo. Kasi, hindi niyo alam baka yung tao na 'yun, hindi katiwalaan, later on iche-change yung password, hindi na po kayo makaka-access, 'no? Kasi madali po yung i-change doon sa back office. Kaya ingat-ingat po, 'no, sa ating mga ka-Livegood. And then, yeah. So, yun po and then, every every Saturday we have Zoom. So, Thursday and Saturday ako po yung nagdi-discuss sa Zoom. So, you can join our Zoom if you are a member or non-member. Okay, puwede-puwede po kayong mag-join sa Zoom po namin. Reach out to me and I can send you po yung link. So you will learn more about Live Good. Alright. So bakit po ba ako sumali sa Live Good? Ito po guys kasi talagang ako ay nagjo-join na po talaga ng mga ganitong company 'no, since then. Kasi I want to stay healthy 'no, or I want my family to be healthy. Nung nakita ko po itong, Live Good and nakita ko po first talaga tiningnan ko yung product kasi I am a product person. So, nakita ko po yung, super greens na maganda. Okay, kasi yun po talaga ang hinahanap ko sa mga companies and then maganda din po yung price, hindi po siya, mahal 'no. It's very affordable and it's organic too. So, napa-oo ako sa product at the same time nagustuhan ko po yung business plan ni Live Good and yung mga links natin 'no, marketing marketing, funnel natin maganda and then overall nagustuhan ko po kaya sabi ko, "Wow, pinadali na po yung trabaho natin dito. It's less stress, okay, and then, just learn, okay, learn the system and then start sharing." Gano'n lang po siya kasimple. And no quota and also no pressure to buy products every month. Yun po ang nagustuhan ko kasi yung experience ko po sa ibang company 'no, magba-buy kami ng worth $100 'no, dati-dati yung mga previous company will buy $100 of product. So, nangyayari po nababagsakan po kami ng mga products, okay. So until now nga yung previous company ko, nandiyan pa yung mga product hindi pa naubos-ubos 'no. So, for me, it's kinda waste of money 'no kung lagi po tayong naka-auto ship sa isang company tapos you are not earning naman doon sa company na 'yan. So, here in Live Good, we are not required to buy a lot of products. So, just buy anytime kasi wala po tayong monthly auto ship. So, for me, every 3 months lang ako bumibili. Binibili ko lang yung aking consumption, no? Like yung Super Red, Super Greens, yon. At dinagdag ko na din yung mga vitamins, no? And, factor 4 'yan, yung international wellness pack, yun po ang binibili ko para just for my consumption lang, hindi po ako nagbebenta. So, I'm offering this to my friends and family, especially here, friends in the USA, so that they can also avail the membership price. Kasi si Live Good po, meron po tayong option na puwede po kayong mag-member lang and you can just get discount sa products and then you can cancel anytime. So, um not a pressure no on your part, no, just get discounts and experience po yung mga product natin. So we have also a 90-day money back guarantee sa ating mga products. So if hindi mo siya nagustuhan, pwede mo siyang ibalik, no, kahit on an empty bottle. So Live Good will pay you back. All right, so si Miss Girly, thanks for watching. Kumusta na ka diha, day? Kinsabay na nataranta ganinang buntag. 'Di ba? Doon kanina sa ano, morning 'no, nawala si Facebook sa Messenger. So, ang mga tao nagpanic. Ako din medyo nagpanic pero, buti na lang tumawag si Coach Lola sabi niya, ah, hindi daw makapasok. So, hindi ko na tiningnan at hindi ko na ni-reset. Normally hindi ko, nire-reset yung password right away. So, ang ginagawa ko tino-turn off ko yung cellphone tapos ibalik ulit yung, phone ninyo. 'Pag nakapasok pa, so okey pa yun. 'Pag hindi na talaga, and then, check niyo yung other friends ninyo kung wala talaga silang hindi din po sila nakapasok, so meaning, something is wrong in the system. So gano'n lang po yun. So yun po guys, so thank you for watching. This is just a quick video 'no, minsan nami-miss ko ng mag-live. Parang nasanay na po akong mag-live, alright? So thank you everyone, no, stay healthy in an affordable way. Lahat po tayo ay naghahanap po ng mga, health supplements, na makakatulong po sa atin 'no. Kasi ah, sabi na health is kalimutan ko yung ano, health is, ah, not an expense 'no. So health is an investment. All right. So invest in your health po kasi we have lots of people na nagde-depend po sa atin, no? Especially your family, yung mga anak ninyo. So this is our responsibility to be healthy and stay healthy. All right. So here in Live Good, you can stay healthy in an affordable way. Okay, so thanks for watching everyone. Just a quick video for everyone and happy Tuesday, everyone. See you in my next live. Thanks for watching.